so popular in kids. Playing football. Do you like playing football? Playing online games. Are you into playing online games? Doing aerobics. Doing aerobics every day helps me keep fit. Playing badminton. I really enjoy playing badminton with my friends. Playing cards. I don't really like playing cards. Doing karate. Are you interested in doing karate? Making cakes. I love making many kinds of cakes. Making friends. I'm interested in making lots of new friends. Watching movies. Do you love watching movies? Doing volunteering. Doing voluntary work. I'm always into doing voluntary work. Hanging out. I really like hanging out with friends on weekends. Working part-time. I enjoy working part-time during summer. Make plans. We need to make some holiday plans before it's too late. Go on holiday. I'm going to Thailand on holiday. Take a picture. I want to take a picture with my new camera. Save money. You should save money on your ski holiday. Go abroad. I would like to go abroad this year. Going swimming. Let's go swimming this summer. Get drunk. Who should you get drunk with? Go shopping. Would you like to go shopping with me? Play the guitar. Are you learning to play the guitar? Chat online. Let's chat online together sometime. Go for a coffee. Do you want to go for a coffee after class? Listen to music. Do you listen to music